Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a simple minivan that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x12 by 2/3 vehicle chassis. I'm going to flip this over. Take a set of 2x2 plates with double bearings. We're going to place these on both ends where they are inset by a set of studs. I want to flip this over. I want to take a 1x4 plate on both ends. I'm going to set down a set of 1x1 plates. And then on top of those, another set of 1x1 plates. Now we're going to need to make two of these, and we're going to place them in the 1x2 openings underneath our vehicle chassis on both ends, as shown. Take a pair of 2x4 by 2/3 set of mud guards. Place these right above our bearings. Right here, a 1x2 plate, and right on top of this, a 1x4 plate. Right in the middle inside the 2x4 opening, a 2x2 seat. And for a steering wheel, we're going to take a set of 1x2 plates, stack these on top of one another, and a 1x2 steering wheel console. And yes, I'm using a small steering wheel for this vehicle. Place this right inside this 1x2 opening, right there. Right behind the steering wheel, a 1x4 brick, and in these two areas, a set of 1x2 bricks, right there. Followed by two 1x2 plates on top of this wheel well. For a rear bumper, let's take a 1x2 by 1x4 downwards angular plate. I'm going to place a 1x4 plate right on the face. And I'm going to take a round 1x1 transparent red flat tile. This is going to be our rear tail light. Followed by a 1x2 flat tile. That's the license plate. And another 1x1 round transparent red flat tile. Place this right in this 1x2 opening. Now we're going to do almost the same thing for the front bumper with another 1x2 by 1x4 downwards angular plate. Place a 1x4 plate right on the face. Then I'm going to take transparent clear 1x1 round flat tile for a headlight. Place that on the right, followed by a 1x2 radiator grille and a round transparent clear 1x1 round flat tile. Place that right there. Set this in this 1x2 opening. In the back, a 2x4 brick and a set of 1x4 plates right on top. This is going to lock all these joints together right here. Then a set of 1x3x1 left and right hand doors. Place these on both sides of the steering wheel. Then we're going to lock the doors in with a pair of 1x2x2 corner plates. Place those right there. For the hood, a pair of 2x4 plate with bow. Gives the front a nice contour. Plus it locks all that in. Make sure that's all mushed down really good. Now we're going to take 5 1x2x2 transparent brown wall elements. We're going to place one on the back and two along the sides. These are going to be our rear and side windows for the minivan. Place these right here. For some pillars, take a set of 1x1 bricks, place these on top of one another. Make 4 of these, and we're going to place these in the 1x1 openings. This will form up the sides of the minivan. Then we're going to lock all these joints together with a set of 1x2x2 corner plates. Sometimes you're going to have to wiggle and jiggle those in there. And a pair of 1x3 plates right above these windows. For a windshield, a 2x4x2 transparent clear windscreen. And to finish off the top, a 1x4 flat tile followed by a pair of 2x4 flat tiles and a 4x4 by 2/3 hood plate. Place that right in there. Rest right on top of the 1x1 studs. I'm going to flip this vehicle on its side. We're going to put some tires. I'm just going to take a fancy rim and a narrow tire. Put that on like so. We're going to need to make 4 of these and place these on our bearing plates. Now you could use any type of rims you wish. Place these right here to complete the basic minivan.